Future ready with Emacs India Computer Software courses. In today's digital world, computer skills are very important for everyone. Now learn professional software courses and make your career strong. At Emacs India, we offer many popular computer courses such as DCA, ADCA, Tally Prime with GST, web designing and development, graphic designing, typing, AI basics, programming courses, cybersecurity, and many more. Here, you will get special benefits, nationally and internationally registered certificate. Our trainers are experienced and professional. They teach software and computer skills in a very easy and practical way. Course fees are affordable so that every student can get computer education. Along with computer skills, we also focus on communication skills and personality development. In smart classes, students learn through recorded video lectures, which help them understand topics quickly and easily. After completing the course, students can build careers as data entry operator, computer operator, accountant, web designer, and in many other fields. Computer knowledge is the biggest power in today's world. Emacs India, from skill to success. Contact your nearest Emacs India branch today and confirm your admission.